What if I told you that you don't need to pay for web hosting? In this video, I'll show you how to host any website directly from your PC and share it with anyone in the world completely free. It's no hosting, no domain required to start. Let's go. First, let's understand something simple. When you run a website on your computer using localhost, only you can see it. But what if you want to share it with your friends or clients? That's where Cloudflare Tunnel comes in. It creates a secure connection from your PC to the internet. First, create a simple website. Let's make a file called index.html. So now, we need to run this website locally. Let's open terminal in this folder and run npx serve. This will start a local server. You'll see something like http localhost 3000. Let's open it in your browser to confirm it works. Next, download Cloudflare Tunnel. Let's go to this website. I will put the links in pinned comment below. Now, download the Windows version. Rename it to cloudflare.exe and place it in a folder like C. Cloudflared. Then add that folder to your system path.
You add this to your system path, you need to copy the path location here. Then start menu and search for system environment. Here you will see the system environment, and after you copy this, click on environment variables. Now here select the path options. Here you can see the path and then go for new, or you can go with edit, and here click on new and add that path what you have just copied earlier. I have already give here, so I don't want to add this anymore. Anyway, after this click on OK, and that's it.
Now the magic part. It's in your terminal CMD or in PowerShell, run Cloudflare Tunnel URL http localhost 3000. After a few seconds, you'll get a public URL like this. You can share with anyone. Keep in mind, your PC must stay on. Your server must be running. This link is temporary. If you want a permanent link like your own domain, you can connect a custom domain using Cloudflare Tunnel. So let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on that. So that's it for today. So if this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.